Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily send high-quality photos in WhatsApp. Please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, also write comments. So, friends, let us get down to our topic. And to begin with, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And then you need to go to Chats at the bottom. Next, you go to Correspondence with the person you want to send the photo to. Then, bottom left corner, click on the plus sign. Select Photos. This will take you to a list of all the photos in your gallery. Next, select the photo you would like to send. After that, you can somehow crop, add text, picture, and so on. Top. But we are interested in the very first thing, this sign, where it says HD. You need to click on it. As you can see, by default, sending standard quality is always enabled. If you want to raise it, you just need to switch to HD quality. Now you will be able to send this photo easily. It will be clear and of good quality, not blurred in WhatsApp. Friends, this is the very simple way you can easily send high-quality photos in WhatsApp. I really hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, write your comments, be sure to put likes. See you soon.